The Pharmaceutical Quality Control (QC) department holds an essential role within pharmaceutical industry, ensure and verify that manufactured products meet strict quality standards, regulatory requirements, and safety levels prior to their distribution. Here is the department's functions, structure, and responsibilities. Functions and responsibilities. 1. Raw material testing. A cornerstone of QC operations involves inspecting incoming raw materials like active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, excipients, and packaging materials. Rigorous testing guarantees these components adhere to predetermined quality and purity standards. 2. In-process testing. QC personnel diligently monitor and assess product quality at various stages of manufacturing. By doing so, they ascertain products meet precise specifications and standards. 3. Finished product testing. An extensive battery of tests is conducted on final products to confirm their compliance with both internal and regulatory standards. Parameters such as potency, purity, and dissolution rates are scrutinized to validate quality. 4. Stability studies. QC teams execute stability studies to ascertain a product's shelf life under diverse storage conditions. These studies offer assurance that products remain safe and effective over their intended duration. 5. Analytical method development and validation. QC experts undertake the creation and validation of precise analytical methods. These methods ensure the accurate measurement of pharmaceutical product attributes, and their reliability and specificity are paramount. 6. Documentation and record keeping. Accurate and comprehensive documentation of testing procedures, results, and observations is a cornerstone of QC. This practice substantiates adherence to regulations and facilitates traceability. 7. Out of specification (OOS) investigations. When products deviate from established specifications, QC conducts thorough investigations to uncover the root cause. Based on these findings, decisions are made regarding batch rejection or reprocessing. 8. Quality audits. Participation in internal and external audits is a key function of QC. These audits ensure that the company's quality systems and practices align with regulatory standards and industry norms. 9. Calibration and maintenance. QC departments are responsible for the precise calibration and maintenance of instruments used in testing. These actions are essential to maintaining consistent and reliable test results. 10. Regulatory compliance. Upholding pharmaceutical regulations, such as Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP, and International Council for Harmonization, ICH, guidelines, is a paramount responsibility of the QC department. Structure. The structure of a pharmaceutical QC department can vary based on the company's size and complexity. Generally, it comprises the following key roles. 1. QC Manager Technical Director, supervision the entire department, setting quality standards, and ensuring arrangement with guidelines. 2. QC Analyst Scientists, conducting tests on raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products, using advanced analytical techniques. 3. Analytical chemists, developing and validating analytical methods that ensure precise measurement of pharmaceutical product qualities. 4. Stability scientists, designing and conducting stability studies to establish product shelf life and ideal storage conditions. 5. Documentation specialists, maintaining accurate records of testing procedures, results, and investigations. 6. Quality auditors, ensuring departmental practices comply with regulations and internal quality standards. 7. Validation experts, validating equipment, processes, and analytical methods to ensure accuracy and reliability. 8. Regulatory affairs liaisons, ensure QC practices to follow the regulatory requirements.